If you're looking to snag the written transcript from any YouTube video, I've got a few simple, free methods I want to share with you right now. We'll also explore a much smarter path to turn that raw text into polished, short-form clips without becoming a dedicated video editor. I'm excited to walk you through my top 3 favorite quick routes to grab that textual data. Alright, let's jump right into the first and fastest hack available for this task. First up is a handy online utility called YouTubeTranscript.com. This tiny website is laser-focused and built specifically for extracting video captions. You simply paste the YouTube URL into the designated field and hit the Enter key. The service then scrapes the captions and immediately returns a clean, readable transcript. You'll usually see the transcript appear alongside the main content area. Look for a clear button labeled something like Copy Entire Transcript to grab it all at once. It's incredibly fast and ridiculously simple, making it ideal for quick text extraction. This method is perfect if you just need the raw text to drop into a document or Notes app. However, you should be aware that these free scraping sites can occasionally be unreliable. Sometimes YouTube updates its caption delivery, which breaks the site's functionality. Other times, the service might hit temporary rate limits or even go down for scheduled maintenance. So, while it's excellent for a one-time grab, it might not be your most dependable tool for a content machine. Moving on to method number 2, which involves using a browser extension. I particularly favor an extension called YT Transcript Downloader, because it lives right inside your YouTube interface. Once you have it installed, it simply adds a small download button to the main video page. This button is usually placed conveniently near the video description or the existing transcript tab. With one click, you can save the complete transcript directly as a tidy.txt file on your computer. This eliminates the need for any tricky copy pasting or messing around in the developer console. This browser integration makes the process far more stable than relying on a random third-party website. But extensions definitely have their own set of trade-offs, as you might expect. They rely heavily on the current browser version and sometimes lag behind platform changes. Furthermore, some extensions are conveniently limited to just the Chrome browser ecosystem. Also, even though the download is easy, you still end up with just plain text data. That text is great for reading, but it does nothing to help you build that text into a usable short clip. Now let's explore the third option, which is a pretty cool modern approach using Google's Notebook LM. Notebook LM is fantastic because it's specifically designed for more advanced research-style workflows. You can easily input a YouTube URL directly as a source document within the platform. Notebook LM fetches the transcript, displays it right there in line for easy viewing, and empowers you to do more. You can ask it to summarize key sections, query the content, or generate a concise executive brief. The entire experience is powerfully driven by Google's underlying artificial intelligence engine. This makes it an excellent free resource if your primary goal is to extract deep meaning or pull out action items. What I really appreciate about Notebook LM is the extra utility it unlocks for content repurposing. Need a crisp 3-sentence summary of a long lecture? Notebook LM can handle that request easily. It can even generate an audio recap of the video, which is fantastic for on-the-go consumption. This capability makes it a top-tier free tool for turning video into reusable notes and internal scripts. But here's a crucial point to remember. Notebook LM is not a content publishing application. It's built to help you understand and synthesize information, not to edit video clips. It won't automatically find the most viral 30-second moments perfect for TikTok or Instagram Reels. Furthermore, its interface can feel a bit sluggish for creators who need to rapidly push out many short pieces of content. So those are 3 excellent free strategies for getting transcripts and performing basic textual analysis. Each one is useful, each one is free, but they all hit a ceiling when you start trying to scale your output. Now here's the genuine game changer for serious content creators who produce long-form videos regularly. You need a workflow that combines transcript extraction with intelligent, automated clipping and scheduling features. This is precisely the gap that a platform like Vizard is engineered to fill. Vizard is much more than just another tool for reading text. It's an AI-driven system for video repurposing. It intelligently scans your full video and pinpoints the segments with the highest potential for short clip performance. Think of it as the essential bridge between having a finished video and having ready-to-post vertical content. Instead of manually hunting for timecodes, Vizard analyzes the visuals and audio to export shareable clips automatically. There are 3 core functionalities that truly matter if you are serious about growing your audience across platforms. First, the auto-editing viral clips feature scans for emotional spikes and punchlines in your original footage. It then outputs these clips already cropped perfectly for vertical viewing, ready to go straight onto socials. You bypass the tedious manual cropping and get content that is immediately post-ready instead of just raw text snippets. The second major benefit is the integrated auto-schedule function, which manages your publishing cadence for you. You set the frequency you want to post, and the AI queues up the content automatically across your chosen platforms. This means you stop worrying about manual posting schedules and let the AI keep your channels consistently fed. Finally, the content calendar provides a single hub where you can oversee the entire publishing pipeline. You can preview suggested clips, refine captions, and visually arrange when each piece goes live, all in one spot. Now let's quickly stack this up against those 3 free methods we just discussed. YouTubeTranscript.com gets you text instantly, but you still face the boring manual task of finding timestamps and editing. The browser extension simplifies the text download, but it offers zero assistance with the crucial editing or scheduling steps. Notebook LM helps you craft narratives and summaries, but it was not built from the ground up for video manipulation or distribution. Vizard picks up the baton exactly where those tools leave off, transforming your source video into multiple short-form assets. It then provides the organizational structure to help you manage and schedule all that freshly minted content. Sure, there are other paid video tools out there promising parts of this process. But many are either prohibitively expensive, feature-dated user interfaces, or only solve one piece of the puzzle. The main hurdle most creators face is the massive overhead of juggling 4 or 5 separate tools daily. Vizard is designed to consolidate those numerous steps into one single, streamlined, creator-friendly pathway. It is essential to understand that this level of automation doesn't mean you surrender all creative authority. Vizard provides the AI's best suggestions, but you always maintain the final say to preview and retrim any clip. You can easily tweak the accompanying captions and specify exactly which platform receives which content. This offers incredible speed without ever sacrificing your unique brand voice and creative direction. If you are currently relying on manual copy-paste hacks, try this simple 3-step process starting today. Step 1. Use any free method we covered to get the transcript and identify your key topics or rough timestamps. Notebook LM is especially handy here if you want a quick summary or a structured outline to guide your clip choices. For step 2, upload your source video directly into the Vizard platform and let its AI begin its powerful scan. The system will suggest clips based on pacing, audio intensity, and, most importantly, meaningful conversational lines. Then, step 3 involves using the integrated content calendar to queue up your favorite selections across all your channels. After that, you simply review the suggested captions, add your hashtags, and let the autoscheduler manage the rest. This composite workflow gives you the best of both worlds, the smart ideas from transcript tools and the heavy lifting from Vizard. You get the precision of manual review combined with the massive efficiency of automated distribution. A quick pro tip: if your original video has any audio issues or transcript errors, clean up the text first. Cleaner input text dramatically improves the quality of all the downstream AI analysis, so it's worth the effort. Also remember that the best short clips aren't always the longest speeches. They are often the small, reactive moments. Think about that stunned pause, a quick, perfectly timed joke, or a really strong one-sentence takeaway. While Vizard is excellent at catching these high-impact snippets, your own creative eye is still essential in the final selection. So, to recap the free options, YouTubeTranscript.com for speed, the extension for browser convenience, and Notebook LM for smart summarization. But if your actual business goal is creating consistent, view-driving short-form content that saves you hours, you need Vizard in your rotation. It expertly closes the gap between simply possessing written words and executing a full social media strategy. And for any creator dealing with a heavy load of long videos, leveraging this system could genuinely save you an entire day of editing each week. That is everything I wanted to cover on extracting transcripts and optimizing your content repurposing today. Go try out those free methods and see which one naturally fits your daily rhythm. If you are drowning in long-form content that needs to be cut into pieces, definitely give Vizard a dedicated test run. Should you want a more in-depth, step-by-step demonstration of the entire Vizard workflow, just let me know in the comments. I can put together a deeper guide showing every single click, so don't hesitate to ask. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next video.